How do you edit the photo widget on the iPhone? As you can see, I'm on the home screen and I have two photo widgets. I have one in here and the other one there. And you can see when I tap on it, it just gets inside of the Photos app. So in order to edit any of them, just hold down on it like this and click on Edit Widget. Right, and you have the ability to change and customize some things. For example, you can see I can change the album which is selected to display the images. So I can click on the album selection, it just moves me over to my Photos app and I can pick any album I want, or I can create a new one and then link it to this widget, right? So if I choose that my favorite photos are gonna appear on this widget and I come back, you can see that it loads up a different set of photos, right? So this is the favorites folder, so only images from this album are gonna appear on the home screen like that. But it doesn't necessarily have to work this way for every widget. There might be widgets which if you click on edit, you can see I don't have the album selection for. And the reason for that is that this is a different type of the Photos widget. This one is for featured photos, right? So as you can see, it tells you at the top that it is for featured, which means that you don't have really much control over which photo shows up in there. And essentially, whenever you are adding the widget, like on the home screen like this, when you click on edit and add a new one and go to the photos, like let me scroll down a little bit there, you're going to notice that the first three widgets in different sizes are for the featured, which means you don't control which photos appear, just some randomly which the phone believes you might want to see. But then we have the album feature or widget, right? And again, the same three sizes, but this works as I've shown you at the beginning, where you choose a specific album from which the photos are going to be displayed. So that's how it works. This is the distinction. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.